Welcome to Shubhra Ranjan IAS. Today, I'm going to explain you how to use Tarkash. Tarkash is an amazing app which is dedicated to UPSC preliminary examination practice. It is developed by Shubhra Ranjan IAS. So let's get started without wasting any time further. On the home page, you can see subject-wise tests, which has sectional tests, and you can see mock test, which has full-length tests. This is overall performance. You can check out your accuracy and you can also check out your coverage. How much of questions have you covered and what is the accuracy? You can see the key features of the app. After a quick glance, let's go to the tests. In the test part, you can see 4 types of tests. First is subject-wise tests, next is past year papers, all India mock tests, custom question paper. Let us explore one by one. In the subject-wise tests, you have several subjects: geography, ancient history, modern history, medieval history, economics, polity, science and tech, environment, current affairs, art and culture. So let's explore what is in geography. You can find 30 questions each. You can also find 50 questions. The time is ticking. Let's get started this way. You can also save your question. After saving the question, you can always refer back to the question. Once you submit, you will find the score. The most important thing in this section is current affairs. Monthly current affairs based questions will be given to you. This is a great opportunity for all the aspirants. I would rather say this is a big boon. Each month has 100 questions. The time is ticking. So this way you will take practice of all the months in current affairs. Let's go to past year papers. As per every topper, no preparation is complete without doing the previous year papers. You can find the previous year papers from 2016 to the latest 2023. Without PYQs, one would say you should not even go for the test. So let's see how it goes. After submitting the questions, your answers, you will find the explanations. In detail explanation will be given to you and you will be more than satisfied. And let's see All India mock tests. In the All India mock test, you will find 100 questions each. You can start practicing one by one. The procedure is same for attempting the test. Now let's see what is custom question paper. You can custom the question paper as per your requirement. By topic or the book, you can choose either of these. Let's get started. Ancient history, art and culture, current affairs, economics, environment, geography, so on and so forth. Let's see ancient history. In the ancient history, you can choose any of your topics. Say for example, IVC. After selecting IVC, you can go to the next. You find 20 questions, 20 to 50 questions, over 50 questions. You can choose any of these. So next, you need to save this just for your reference. For example, I just saved it as test 1 and then take test. This is how you will proceed. This is a beautiful feature that this app has got. You can test yourself by chapter wise and also section wise and also topic wise. Now let's see what is in the question bank. In the question bank, you have subject-wise and also class-wise. Let us select any of these books. The drainage system. I'm interested in taking the test on drainage system. This is how the questions would appear. So let's see our pass. These are the set of questions from our pass. Our pass 2. This is how you will proceed again. Again, in the question banks, you will also have current affairs based questions. So this is a wonderful opportunity for all those aspirants who are struggling to face mock tests. Even before you attempt mock test, build confidence through this small test. You will be practicing with 20 questions, 30 questions and 50 questions, and then you will be able to take the full-length test. This is how you will build your confidence. You need not let your performance to others. You quietly build yourself and then you start facing the mock test. So wherever you're sitting, however you are, you can take the test and enjoy the knowledge and test yourself. Thank you very much.